steam my crabs, shrimp, and sausages. And I'm about to do my sauce. The butter already in the pan. Then I got some minced garlic. Let me put it on low. Old Bay seasoning, and this is the 30% less sodium because I ain't got time to be having high blood pressure again. Got some garlic powder. The seasonings they got salt. So some paprika. And then I got some a little seasoning. Some brown sugar. But I'm put it down today. Chicken stock, just a dash. Let me taste it. I feel like I need more Old Bay seasoning. I feel like I need more garlic too because I don't really taste the garlic taste. You know, say hey. Say hey to the camera. Say hey. It smell good? Okay, let me boil it for a little bit so it can get more hot. I'm gonna shake it up a little bit. Hold on. Yeah, this is the final product. And if y'all ever want to make some crabs at home, we could get these. Y'all can get these from Sam's. It's like $40–50. Really expensive, but they come with a lot. So please make sure y'all subscribe to my channel.